Hasn't been easy to get our hands on one of these. They came out last year and they've been selling out quickly. I was able to get my hands on this before they sold out again. This thing has quickly become a favorite. There we go. Here's all the details if you want to pause it. Like that there. Nice pictures on it. All right, let's get the lid off of this. Big and bulky. All right. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. Packaged nicely. Hobby King did a good job. We got the spec sheet. Quick setup guide. All right. I'm going to cut all the tape off this. We'll be right back. I am excited for this one. We got something special lined up with the flight with this, which will be coming out in a day or two. I'm going to take this right out. First, we're going to start with the elevator. Get a quick look at it. Everything seems to be boxed really nice, guys. So, like I said, this has quickly become a favorite last year. And very hard to get your hands on. Sells out quick. Big links. We got a tape over the servos. Nice finish. It's got plastic screw points. It's a really nice finish on it, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 hinges. They look like some sort of pin hinges, but it's not just foam hinges, which is fantastic. It does look like there's a rod going through to help support the elevator, make it sturdier. Very nice. This elevator. Now we got the rudder. Oh, that is nice. Look at that. This is the Philippine, yes. There's also plastic hinges here. Looks like two sort of pin hinges, not just foam hinge, and that it also has a foam hinge in between them. Bigger control horns. Nice plastic cover over the servo. Paying attention to detail. I like it, guys. Oh, what else? What are we gonna do? Get this foam out of here. Let's check out the wing. Oh, wow. That's a big wing, too. Look at that, guys. Oh, beautiful light covers. Nice tape over everything. Tape on the leading edge. Got big ailerons, big control surfaces, or excuse me, flaps, and big aileron, very big control surfaces. But look at the finish on this. Very impressive, guys. Now, we don't have a million wires. They're not the quick, you know, stationary plugs here, but it is still a quick plug. It's one plug. That's going to be nice to take off the wing for transportation. Look at the finish on that, guys. Beautiful. See the back side? Wheels. They are foam. They're not real hard. They're not real soft, but they're good foam. 1, 2, 3 hinge points plus the foam hinge in between them all on the flap. 2 hinge points on the aileron. Big links. Servos are covered with like a rubber, not like a taper, a really thick tape. Look at the finish on that. Beautiful, guys. Like I said, the light covers are very impressive. I have the Dynam Tucano, and they did a very, very poor job with finish. Here's the light on the end. I'm sure the other wing is exactly the same. Best part for last, guys, right? Whatever's in the box. Whatever it is stuck in there. Okay, we have extra. I'm sure that's to cover something on the plane. We'll have to look at the quick build sheet. And we have this, I believe, will go under the rudder. These are the fins for underneath the fuselage. And a lot of detailed stuff. Antennas. Very nice. A lot of detailed stuff. Put that over there. And what else we got? We got your typical wing connectors to hold the wings on. We got some screws. And we got the aluminum connector that goes in between the wings to give it the right amount of dihedral. Okay. All the propellers. This is 5 blade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blade. Here. I didn't get this untaped. We have the nose cone. Nice hard plastic nose cone. Now the best for last, guys. Let's take a look at this fuselage. Look at this, guys. Wow. It looks like metal, the exhaust pipes, but it's plastic. The sticker's in pretty good condition. Nice big motor. I believe we have a light here. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Philippine Air Force. Look at the finish on this, guys. Beautiful. Look at the cockpit. Wow. Wow, that's incredible. I don't think the video does this justice. This cockpit is incredible, guys. Tandem seat. All the electronics printed out on the dash. Sorry about the glare, guys. Electronic printout. That is nice. Pilots are nice. We're going to open this up. I believe it's right here. Pull back on it, guys. Ooh. Alright. You got to pull back on it pretty hard. Even have control panel gauges printed onto the sides on the inside for the pilot. On both front and rear. That is probably the nicest cockpit I have on all my planes. It is the nicest one. Big canopy. Oh, I'm sure that's great for FPV guys. Wow, that is beautiful. Very happy. Now we got the inside. A lot of space in this, guys. Sorry, it's big and bulky. Got a huge compartment for the battery. Nice Velcro straps. We got Velcro for the Velcro down your ESC. It's a 100 amp ESC. There's a control board. It's all plywood, one piece. Wow. This is nice, guys. Very impressed with Hobby King lately. And the fuselage comes in two pieces. You have to glue it together. Here's the rear piece, rear section of the fuselage. Man, this plane is sharp. Got another light here. Try to show you guys. Let's see how easy it goes together. A little bit of a tight fit, which is good. Ooh, that real tight. That's nice. There we go. Wow. All right, well, let's get this thing put together. Get it ready for a flight.